got the cake panda. No, that's it. First we got green face paint and the glue.
Hindi ka magtatago, di ba?
Glue. Okay. Now it's finished. Now just let it go soon, and this is one purple. This is a white wig. It's Ariana Grande and for Focus video. Now this is brush. Brush here. And another. Now it's finished. Now brushing. Now next is in Princess Bubble Gum. It's here guys, bye and click here on subscribe and more makeup tutorial. And see you guys soon. Bye bye.